Come with us to visit the second largest pyramid in the U.S., located in Memphis, Tennessee, known as the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid. In this vlog, we're going to take the elevator 321 feet up in the air to visit the lookout where we get some incredible views of Memphis. We're also going to visit Santa, go to the aquarium, and then end with a nice lunch over at Walburgers for the first time ever. We really enjoyed it, and we hope you guys enjoy following along with us. Cutie. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Say hi. Hi. We are here at Bass Pro Shops, the Pyramid in Memphis, Tennessee, and look who's with us. Look. Hello. Jada. Jada is back. You guys have not seen her in a couple years since she was on our Disneyland vlogs, but she's back. We're in Memphis and now we're here and we're about to go into the pyramid. We are going to take the elevator up to the top and eat some food. And we're also here to see Santa Claus. So I'm excited too. So let's go. Here we go. So I just wanted to show you guys. So they have a hotel in here. I'll drop a picture in here so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on the inside of the Bass Pro. This is what the rooms look like, and you see they have a balcony where you can look out into Bass Pro Shop. We are gonna come and stay here one day and check in here. It just seems so cool to be able to stay here. Okay, so now we are looking for Santa's Wonderland so the kids can go and meet Santa Claus. We just got some tickets for the elevator. Yes, we got free tickets to take you up to the top so you can look out over downtown Memphis. And we got them for free because I applied for a credit card with Bass Pro Shop. So yeah, that's a nice little perk. So now we don't have to pay $30. All right, so we found Santa. There he is. And this is the elevator that we're going up in just a few minutes.
That is really hot.
Crazy. And they gave Noah a free hat. Got some rhinestones on his boots. So they give you the little envelope and they're gonna put your picture in there. There you go. It's our free hat. Okay, y'all, we got our little Christmas picture. It's so cute. I love it. All right. And then as always, they have the little Christmas activities you could do. They got some blocks you can play with over here. It's usually some coloring books. Write a letter to Santa. Yeah, so cute. Big candy cane. All the little Christmas pajamas. They got the Christmas candies. Ooh, this looks good. Look, looks really good. Sugar cookie clusters. What is that? A sugar cookie truffle center crispy cookie crunch white drizzle. I might have to get these on. They look kind of good. Little hot cocoa balls. And little goodies. Look at the little snowman holding the suckers.
Oh my God.
That's a big in there. He look like a shark. I don't know. I think it might be like a garfish or something. So we just finished seeing Santa Claus and now we are headed over to the elevator so we can take the elevator up to the top and see the view over Memphis. And I believe that the floor is a glass bottom too. And me and Jada are both afraid of heights, so this is gonna be great. All right, y'all, we found it. It's over here. We just got to find the line because you have to get in line. That's from being raised at Disney World and Disneyland. She knows how to find a line, no problem. So there is the general store where they sell the fudge and all the goodies and stuff. And right across from that is what they call the Lookout. I didn't know the elevator was called the Lookout.
Oh my.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, what is it? Fish. Another fish. And you get on the elevators there and they're gonna take us all the way to the top. So, yes.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. Till my soul land, could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see And I'm better.
So it's like a super nice restaurant up here with some fishies. Happy birthday, Jada! Happy birthday to Jada! Sorry. It's okay. Oh my God! Okay, this is crazy. So you can't really see, but it's a floor, a glass bottom. Oh my God, it's a glass bottom. You guys, I am dying. I know, right? But look how beautiful it is. Wow, the views are incredible. Guys, we made it to the top of the freaking pyramid. We are literally on the top of the world right now. And the floors are see-through bottoms. And look at these views. Isn't that incredible? Look at the Memphis Bridge.
No longer what I used to be better.
I am obsessed with this experience. So like we said in the beginning of the vlog, we didn't pay anything to come up here because we applied for a credit card. It's probably gonna be windy. Happy birthday, Jada! We're here for Jada's birthday. We should have mentioned that at first, but yeah, so we just wanted to find something new to do in Memphis, and this was it. This was so nice. Look how beautiful.
The view is absolutely beautiful.
It's stunning. Like, are you kidding me? Who knew that Memphis could be this beautiful? It's so pretty. We love it. The water, just the water. Like, look at the water.
Not even shocked.
Glistening and gorgeous.
Mommy,
Yes.
it's hot.
You hot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's go. All right. Well, it was great. All right. We did the top. Now we're... I know, like nothing to grab onto. Now here we go, back down.
Take a look around and enjoy the sights. If you look out across the way, you'll see a
I can see Santa.
we are headed to Walburgers. Actually, it's called Walburgers Wild. So I guess they have like wild game and stuff, but I don't want any of that. I just want a burger. And so let's go eat. So we are, he was? So we are just chilling in front of the aquarium right now. Walburgers is gonna text us. They said in about 15 minutes when our table is ready. So we just came to look at the fish.
I see one. Where's the big one?
Look at the big bear. Look at his claws. He's a big old bear. All right, y'all, we made it into Walburgers. They got us in front of this aquarium, and it is super cute. So now we're gonna look at the menu and see what they have to eat because we're all hungry. And you get to keep the cup. They give you cups that you can keep. Okay, so I cut my burger open and I just want y'all to see. Look at this. Baby, that looks so good. That looked like a crab cake on the inside. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy this. And Noah, this is a kid's chicken tender. Those chicken tenders are literally the size of his arm. And Summer's enjoying her food. Jada's enjoying her food. All right, so we gonna eat, y'all, and we'll see y'all in a little bit.
That costs as much as the car.
$33,000.
They have a chain on.
All right, so Jada is just getting some change. And because this little boy right here wants to play the guns. So we are about to shoot these guns and all of these things. And here we go. Honey, they tearing it up. Ooh! Oh my God. And look, Summer done used all 25 shots. Summer, you done used all 25 shots, honey. They gone. Oh my gosh. Look at the house. They got like broken windows and... Oh, look at the squirrel. I used to freaking love me some Ditto honeys. Oh, these are so good. All right, you guys. So we are going to wrap up this vlog. Thank you for hanging out today with us at Bass Pro Shops. It was super awesome.
Yes, it was great. We had a good time. Good
Yes.
food.
Yes, Walburgers was delicious. That fish sandwich was incredible. And Top of the World, is that what it's called? Yeah, something like that. The top of the elevators looking out over the city of Memphis was incredible. We had so much fun, and thank you so much for watching.